25 million Americans may be receiving the wrong cholesterol test, a new study suggests, which could lead to unnecessary treatment or, worse, heart attacks and strokes that could have been prevented. The research, published in a recent health journal, reveals that a blood test measuring ApoB, a type of harmful cholesterol particle, is better than the standard LDL cholesterol test for determining who needs more intensive treatment. This is a game-changer because ApoB testing could help identify individuals at high risk of cardiovascular disease who may not be flagged by traditional LDL testing. By using ApoB tests, healthcare providers can make more informed decisions about treatment, potentially preventing thousands of heart attacks and strokes each year. This is especially important because cardiovascular disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and improving treatment strategies could have a significant impact on public health. The implications of this study are significant, and it's a reminder that there's still much to be learned about how to best manage cholesterol and prevent heart disease. Moving on to another breakthrough, scientists may have finally uncovered how Alzheimer's kills brain cells, a discovery that could lead to new treatments for the devastating disease. Researchers have identified a previously overlooked mechanism of brain cell death that appears to play a major role in Alzheimer's and frontotemporal dementia. This finding could be a major turning point in the fight against these diseases, as it could lead to the development of therapies that target this specific mechanism, potentially slowing neuron loss and improving symptoms. In related news, scientists have also made a groundbreaking discovery about how Alzheimer's spreads through the brain. It turns out that a common brain protein may be responsible for carrying toxic tau proteins from damaged neurons into healthy ones, allowing the disease to spread. This is a crucial finding because it suggests that blocking these harmful protein packages could be a way to slow the progression of Alzheimer's. If researchers can develop therapies that target this process, it could lead to a significant improvement in the quality of life for people living with the disease. The more we learn about Alzheimer's, the more complex and multifaceted it seems, but each new discovery brings us closer to a cure. On a more positive note, scientists have discovered the deep sleep circuit that builds muscle, burns fat, and boosts the brain. It's no secret that sleep is essential for our overall health, but this new research sheds light on the specific brain circuitry that links deep sleep with the release of growth hormone. This feedback loop helps explain why poor sleep can interfere with growth, muscle repair, fat metabolism, and brain function. Understanding this system could lead to new therapies for sleep disorders and diseases tied to metabolism and the brain, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This is especially exciting because it highlights the critical role that sleep plays in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Finally, a recent study has identified a hidden weakness in deadly cancers that could lead to powerful new treatments. Researchers found that aggressive small cell cancers that have resisted new treatments for decades have a critical dependence on the protein E2F3 for survival. By blocking E2F3, scientists were able to shut down tumor growth in laboratory models, and existing FDA-approved drugs may be able to exploit this vulnerability. This discovery could pave the way for faster development of more effective therapies for these devastating diseases. And that's all for today, but tune in tomorrow when we'll explore a new study that suggests a common household item may be linked to a higher risk of certain cancers.